Hello students, in previous part we have studied about how the pollen tubes are formed by the pollen grains. As the pollen grain produce, this initially start to germinate and elongate and at last finally reach to the ovule, which is present in ovary. This one is ovary and it is ovule. Clear? The pollen tube from stigma to just inside the style reach to the ovule. The fine pore, there is a fine pore from where the pollen germ cell enters into the ovule. This fine pore is known as a micropyle. The pollen tubes enters into the ovule by the three different types, three different pathways. Those three are entry of pollen tube into the ovule. ओव्यूल के अंदर जो पोलन ट्यूब की एंट्री हो किस वे से, थ्री पाथवे, वन फ्रॉम माइक्रोपाइलर एंड, the pollen tube which enters into the ovule through the micropylar end, this is called porogamy. And one towards the chalaza, or you can say that chalazial end. If the pollen tube enters, this one the chalaza, this one is micropyle, and this part is chalaza. If the pollen tube enters into the chalazial end, that is called chalazogamy. And third one is if the pollen tubes enters through the integument. इंटेगमेंट मतलब जो लेयर्स ओव्यूल को प्रोटेक्शन करती हैं, दोज आर नोन एज इंटेगमेंट्स. इफ द पोलन ट्यूब्स एंटर्स इनटू द ओव्यूल थ्रू द इंटेगमेंट, दिस इज कॉल्ड मेसोगेमी. सो ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ या ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ पोलन ट्यूब्स एंटर्स इनटू द ओव्यूल, देयर आर थ्री पाथवे. वन इज टुवर्ड द माइक्रोपाइलर एंड, that is known as porogamy. In maximum plants, the pollen tubes enters through the porogamy, means micropyle. But in some plants, the pollen tubes enters into the ovule through the chalazial end, that is known as chalazogamy. For example, casuarina. Casuarina plants के अंदर pollen tube कहाँ chalaza की तरफ से एंट्री करती है. And integument, if the pollen tubes enters into the ovule through the integument, this is called mesogamy. For example, cucurbita. In cucurbita plants, the pollen tubes enters into the ovule through integument. Clear? This is the entry of the pollen grains. Two germ cells with the cytoplasm of nucleus, vegetative cell, and after the Clasoplag means that block the pathway of backward of male germ cell. Clear? The next, what happens after the germ cell enters into the ovule? As this is the structure of an ovule. Towards the, this one is the pollen tube. In which two germ cell, two male gametes with nucleus cytoplasm, and then after that clasoplasm. And there are three cells present towards the micropylar end. Two are synergids. These are the synergids. And one is main egg. Three cells which remains towards the micropylar end. This is known as micropylar end. these three cells, main egg and two synergy is known the egg apparatus, and three cells remains toward the callosal end. This one is callosal end, and these three cells are known as antipodal cell. Callosal end, antipodal cell. What would happen? As you know that two germ cells are contained in the pollen tubes. There are many finger-like apparatus present at the entry of micropyle in synergy. These finger-like outgrowths are known as filiform apparatus. Filiform apparatus. What is the role of filiform apparatus? Filiform apparatus guide the germ cell to the pathway through they pass out. ये filiform apparatus क्या करती है? जो finger like outgrowths हैं, germ cell जो entry करती है उनको pathway provide कराती है कि आपको किधर जाना है. Then this is the two polar nuclei. Polar nuclei. One male gamete fuses with the main egg. This is the main egg and fuses with the male gamete, and the other male gametes fuses with the two polar nuclei. As the male gametes enter into the synergy start to degenerate. You have to listen now. Germ cell. There are two male gametes enters into the micropyle into ovule. There are finger-like outgrowths present in synergy. These finger-like outgrowths are known as filiform apparatus. These filiform apparatus guide the pollen germ cell the pathway. One male gamete fuses with the main egg and other with two polar nuclei. As the pollen tubes, the germ cell enters through the male gametes enters through the pollen tubes into the synergy. Synergy start to degenerate. Then this will happen after when germ cell or male gametes enters into the ovule. Clear? पहले synergy degenerate होंगे, उसके बाद antipodal भी degenerate होंगे. What would happen? We will discuss later. Endosperm. Clear? One germ cell fuses with the main egg and the other with polar nuclei. Synergy start to degenerate as the germ cell or male gametes enters into the synergy. Filiform apparatus, very important. What is filiform apparatus? These are the finger-like outgrowth present at the surface of the micropyle. They guide the pollen. They guide the male gametes to their path. This one happened after the entry of pollen grains. Two other methods by which we can also start to see how the pollen tubes are germinated. One is hanging drop method. You also can see that it is IVF, in vitro fertilization. This is the artificial medium in which we can see the pollen tubes are arises by the pollen grain on a glass slide. In laboratory, we can see this. So it is an artificial medium in which pollen grain produce pollen tube. How this pollen hanging drop methods or IVF, in vitro fertilization process, can take place? Take the nutritive substance. Which are the nutritive substances? Glucose, boric acid. You also consider sucrose. Boric acid, calcium, magnesium, potassium, magnesium, calcium, sodium salts on the glass slide. एक ग्लास स्लाइड के ऊपर आप क्या कीजिए, ये जो न्यूट्रिटिव सब्सटेंस इसमें सुक्रोज है, बोरिक एसिड है, कैल्शियम है, पोटेशियम है, सोडियम है, इनके साथ मैग्नीशियम के साथ लेकर के उनको आप क्या करते हैं, सोल्यूशन को एक ग्लास स्लाइड के ऊपर. नाउ dust some pollen grains. In the solution. अब जो आपने सॉल्यूशन लिया था, इस सॉल्यूशन के अंदर आप कुछ पोलन ग्रेन को डस्टिंग कर देते हैं एंड कवर इट एंड कवर विद कवर स्लीप. After 10 to 15 minutes later, the pollen grains, we can see that pollen grains start to form pollen tube. So that this is the germination process. After 10 to 15 minutes later, the pollen grains start to produce pollen tube. This process can be obtained in laboratory, so it is known as IVF, in vitro fertilization, and the second one is also known as hanging drop method. One other method by which we can see the germination of a pollen grain, that is artificial insemination. Artificial insemination. What is artificial? You can say that artificial hybridization. Artificial insemination means, or you can say that artificial hybridization. This is the main technical name, artificial hybridization. As we know that bisexual flower, the bisexual flower which contain male and female organs, male and female gametes. It contains male gametes and female gametes. If before the maturation we can remove the male gametes with the help of forceps. Forceps means चिमटी की सहायता से यदि हम क्या करेंगे, किसी प्लांट जो बाइसेक्सुअल फ्लावर है उस बाइसेक्सुअल फ्लावर से मेल पार्ट को क्या करेंगे हम फोर्सेप की सहायता से रिमूव करें. रिमूविंग ऑफ मेल पार्ट्स बिफोर मैच्योरेशन विद द हेल्प ऑफ फोर्सेप, दैट इज कॉल्ड इमैस्कुलेशन. व्हाट इज इमैस्कुलेशन? removal of male part before maturation with the help of forceps. That process is called emasculation. तो नेक्स्ट पार्ट कौन सा बच गया? फीमेल पार्ट बच गया. फीमेल पार्ट को क्या करेंगे, इसको बटर पेपर, कवर द फीमेल पार्ट विद बटर पेपर और पॉलीथीन, ताकि दोबारा उसी प्रजाति के पोलन ग्रेन्स के ऊपर फॉल ऑफ ना हो. इसलिए जो फीमेल पार्ट है उसको कवरिंग कर दिया, मेल पार्ट को रिमूव करा दिया, इमैस्कुलेशन. फीमेल पार्ट को बटर पेपर या पॉलीथीन से कवर करवा दिया. कवर द फीमेल पार्ट विद बटर पेपर और पॉलीथीन. दिस इज कॉल्ड बैगिंग. बैगिंग. व्हाट इज इमैस्कुलेशन? रिमूवल ऑफ मेल पार्ट बिफोर मैच्योरेशन, दैट इज कॉल्ड इमैस्कुलेशन. Female part is covered with butter paper or polythene, that is called bagging. And when the female part is mature, after maturation of female part, जब फीमेल पार्ट मैच्योर हो जाएगा उसके ऊपर डिजायर्ड कैरेक्टर के पोलन ग्रेन डस्टेड कर देते हैं. फीमेल पार्ट, द डिजायर्ड कैरेक्टर्स pollen grains are dusted. Pollen grains are dusted and again cover it. This desired character pollen grain are dusted on the mature female part and again cover it. That is called tagging. दोबारा कवर क्यों करते हैं? क्योंकि मे बी हमने जो डस्ट किया वो भी दोबारा कोई और सेम प्रजाति के दोबारा पोलिनेशन से दोबारा पोलन ग्रेन वहाँ पहुँच जाए. इस प्रकार ना हो, पहले इमैस्कुलेशन किया, मेल पार्ट को रिमूव करा दिया बिफोर मैच्योरेशन, फीमेल पार्ट को कवर कर दिया टैगिंग, और फीमेल पार्ट जो कवर था उसको जब मैच्योर हुए तो उसके ऊपर डिजायर्ड कैरेक्टर के पोलन ग्रेन डस्टेड करवा दी जाती है और दोबारा उसको कवर कर दिया. दैट इज कॉल्ड टैगिंग. आफ्टर सम टाइम लेटर द न्यू स्पीसीज विल प्रोड्यूस. द न्यू स्पीसीज which has the desired characters. क्यों? हमने उसके ऊपर जो pollen grain follow कराए थे desired characters के थे, so then the new species can be produced. This is the germination. These all the events are pollen crystal infection can take place. Clear? In next part we will discuss on post fertilization events.